What's up guys, Alexandrus here back to you with another video. Today we have update about FamilyOnlyToken, and also I'm going to talk about the things that happened to ETH Bank. Well, they were not the best, but the good thing is that we are growing up in the FamilyOnlyToken. So yeah, I have bad news and I have good news in today's video. We'll start here, maybe from the better news. In FamilyOnlyToken, as you might know, in the last video there was only about 100 ETH in the contract, and as you can see now we have 391. So it used to be 470 to be exact, but what did happen is that Etherbank exit scammed, and people were getting scared and they started to withdraw from FamilyOnlyToken as well, and that's unlucky. I understand those people. Some of them just want to take profits, some of them are scared because of the Etherbank and because of what they did. I respect that. Now there is a good opportunity to buy cheap, guys. Token is right now 117 per one token. The sell price is almost 1 USD. And as you can see, I started with about 1,100 bucks, and I have right now 1,777. So nice little number right here. It used to be 1,900, but I'm sure we will get back in the price, and I'm expecting it to be about 1,000 ETH in the contract by the end of this month, if not more. So we will have some action going on with Instagram marketing as well. So you can expect, guys, a big rise in this amount. If you want, then you can buy up right now. It's really good opportunity to get in cheap still. Even for the people that gone in from my last video, they can already take some nice gains, and maybe some of them even did. So I'm not lying to you guys. When I say something is worth attention, then it is, in the most of the cases at least. And FamilyOnlyToken is definitely, because they have transparent developer NJ Gold TV. Big shout out to this guy. He's really doing amazing job. He's leading the community really good. They also have Facebook group which is managed by him, and yeah, a lot of progress. Daily videos, daily update videos about FamilyOnlyToken. You can even see how much tokens he holds by himself. He's totally transparent about that, not like it was in Etherbank, where I'm not gonna show you the contract because it will take me too long to find it right now, because they shut down the website. But from what I saw earlier, there was 3,800 ETH cash out, so probably they were admins. There was 4,300 in the contract and 3.8k was cashed out. Then the website went down, all the Telegram accounts and the Telegram group. But yeah, we are not going anywhere with FamilyOnlyToken. We are staying with you guys. And the also good thing about us, comparing to the Etherbank, is that our contract is practically the same as Ethereum Gold or Ethereum Capital, whatever you like to call it, or either Gandhi. It's practically the same contract. You can go through it and you can check it out by yourself. And the Etherbank actually, after in-depth analysis, had major differences in their contract, and as you can see, there is a flow of the transactions. People are reinvesting, so it works just fine. When it comes to the withdrawals, there was one big sell-off right here. It was for 50 ETH, but now we are kinda going back up again, I would say. I'm expecting it to be today back to 400, maybe 450, we will see. Obviously, now the gas prices are insane if you actually want to withdraw the dividends. As you can see here, oh, maybe actually they are getting kinda back to normal, but yeah, as you can see, the fast one is 8 bucks, so that also scares people off a little bit. So that's totally normal that the transaction flow is now a bit slower and there is less of them, but yeah, it's just a matter of time when this goes back up. And also NJ Gold had this cool topic, I would say, about what would happen if no one will buy and sell tokens from now on, we could say. So there is 390 ETH in contract, no one buys, no one sells. What happens to the tokens? So as you might know, Ethereum 2.0 is on the way, so the price of Ethereum is going crazy right now. We are at 400 bucks right now when I'm recording, or so. There is actually API here, 392. Okay, 392. So if this will go to 500, for example, this will be 25% gain. All of the tokens which you guys hold will go 25% up. So buy price instead of 117 would be about 150 at this point. Same with the sell price. Instead of $1, it would be 125. So you would even earn on the movement of Ethereum itself, right? Because you buy and you sell tokens for the ETH value. This is just displayed here so you can know how much this is in US dollar, but the thing which you are actually trading on is this. It's Ethereum price right there. So yeah, that's it. And as I said, we are not going anywhere. We will stay with you guys. I'm keeping I keep buying up the tokens. As you can see, I have 1.8k. I had way less in the last video, so yeah, I keep buying up on those, and I will keep buying up on those. And just to remind you guys, the referral earnings, 25% of them I reinvest to my own tokens, and the rest, which is 75%, goes toward marketing. So that means if there will be one ETH here, 0.75 of this ETH, or if there will be, for example, need to spend one ETH, then whole one ETH will go to the marketing. And we already have about one ETH. It was spent towards YouTubers, and as you can see, it paid off. We are at 400 ETH, and it's just we are on the way to get way more in it. So yeah, I'm expecting 1,000 by this month. You can tell me in the comment section what you think. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, join our Telegram chat. It's also growing quite nice, over 80 people in 2 days, so I think it's good result. You can join the Telegram chat if you have any questions. Also, you can ask them down below in the comment section. And yeah, we'll be ending here with today's video. Remember that you still invest at your own responsibility, but I can assure you that FamilyOnlyToken is totally legit. We'll have backup sites rolling in a short period of time. NJ Gold is working on them. So yeah, we have a real developer. He's making update videos on daily basis, so you should definitely visit his channel and check this out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Big shout out to all the team, big shout out to all the investors from our community, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.